4 types of employees. The employees you have might be working lazy, they might have high skill and high productiveness. I have seen a lot of people like that. I have hired and worked with a lot of people like this. One time what was happening, like I was meeting with a new client that was like the client's office it was, and we sat down and client came and we were sitting there, and when I was talking he was playing a game, I don't know which one game, but Android game, right? So now today, because of my journey, and I figured out how I have to put and whom I have to put in the company and who I don't have to, how I categorize people and how I treat them as of their nature. Categorize your employees in A, B, C, D, 4 groups. The first one, A, meaning highly skilled and highly loyal to your business. You need these kind of people, mostly these kind of people, because these are your star and these are the change makers of your company. And second one, B, is those people who have high skill but low loyalty. They are the people who are there, who have skill, but they are not loyal with you. They don't even give a damn fuck for what you say. They might be, when you are meeting with your employees, then they might be just chilling out or thinking something else. They are not focused to your thing. So these kind of employees are the employees that can be changed, but there is very less probability. And third one, C number, is the people, the employees with high loyalty but low skill. These kind of people can be changed, totally can be changed, because they have high loyalty, meaning they treat you as a leader, they perceive you as a leader, they agree to what you say, right? So these kind of people, you can give them trainings, right? You can give them trainings, you can give them knowledge, and you can mentor them, you can coach them to do more things, to be more highly skilled, right? And send them to trainings like that. You can change them, you can change the C level to the high A level. And the D1, the last, these are the evils of your companies. These are the fucking evil. You don't want them as your employee. Because say, if they don't have skill, why even you are putting them, right? Okay, that's okay. If you are putting them, that's okay. But if they are not loyal to your company, then it makes no sense to put them. Because they are not loyal to your company and they are not skilled also. What's the benefit for the company to put them and pay them $1,000 and $500 to them monthly? So these are the 4 categories or 4 types of employees. You can treat them as you want. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button over here, and don't forget to see all the videos of ours. I upload this kind of videos, and click the bell notification button. I'll see you